we're coming over here and hooking up to the trailer so we can get those boards out of the woodshed. So drop your 3-point. Drop your 3-point. Drop it with oh, it's on the other side. Wait a minute. No, it's right here. No. Wait a minute. Yeah, that is it. Now get right up underneath it and then lift it up. There you go. Too far. There you go. Okay, that's good. It's going. There you go. Yeah. Here, put this edge up, I think. Yeah, because this has got too many.
Can I step on it? On the trailer?
Uh-huh.
Are you putting it on that black thingy?
Yeah, that's fine. And we got a small one right there.
Putting this on the end?
No, put it right there. It's a narrow one, yeah. It needs to be tied up.
This one is cracked. It is mangled.
Well, we need to try to save the stick, so just leave it here and we'll throw it away. Alright, we're going to get this pipe and put it back on top of that tin over there. So you want to get in the middle of it. That's good. Now tilt it up. Tilt it up. Okay. Not sure where he's going, but turn the other way. Okay. Now tilt forward. No, tilt. No. You want to tilt forward. Tilt, because I want it to roll off there. Keep coming. No, Tilt means like that. Curl means like that. Drop means. No, So when I want you to curl it down, and I'm going to roll it off. So go up, and then curl down. That way it's easy to slide down. See? Look at the other one. So now you just want to dump. No, dump, dump, dump. So, whoa, whoa. There you go. Now just back up. Perfect. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Just take it to the edge there, and then we'll. Oh, yeah. Oh, is that? Oh, that's where the thing is. Boop. Boop. What are we doing here? There's no board here, is there? Yeah, no, that's fine. I just want to take it all the way down to the down, you know. Yeah, because we got to get all them boards in there. You know, we probably ought to take those down. They're different kind of boards.
Right there. My mom would be so proud of him.
Okay, can you push those down?
When I went home, she was so happy with all the stuff gone, you know, middle room,
Yeah.
nurse room.
Oh, really? Probably only take about half of that, though. Oh, those are even shorter, aren't they? Yeah, like what he's bringing, we can put on top. 3 different sizes. Are they this? Go ahead and put them up here, and we'll see.
One of them might be, the other one's three. Let you look at it. And then this is more.
This one's got screws in it you guys use maybe for
Oh, yeah, maybe.
or something.
When you start using this wood, build something, use it. Get rid of it.
So good.
It takes that long to get here?
Damn near.
Wow.
Traffic.
Yeah.
Aren't you using this for
Make thing for the pond. What? Is this shorter? Okay, this is the wood shed. We got all that wood up there. That's that ship board that we get. So we took that from the barn and got it up here. So it's all in. We got all that flat board out. There's only actually a couple pieces that is any good. So Landry is on the tractor. He's bringing pallets up. That's what he's doing. He's bringing stuff up that we palletized down there. Ann's picking up some wood. just picking up, you know. So that's what we're doing. Getting things picked up. I gotta figure out where to go back in with this wood. So we took it spot. I'm gonna keep that stuff, but I'm gonna either sell that stuff or junk it or use it or something. I don't know. I gotta figure out something for it. So anyway, that's what we're working on. All right. Well, we did not get everything done tonight. We wanted to get done, or today, but we got some other stuff I wasn't planning on, like that wood. We got out of the woodshed, and then we got the wood put into the woodshed that needed to go in there. The shipboard, we showed you that. Did not get the trailer unloaded. We did go get, pick up that rock, and I think I'm going to use that rock for the tent site that we're going to put down by the creek. So I think we might be able to work on that tomorrow. I think I need to get what dirt that I have down there spread out, get the railroad ties down there, and get those secured, and then I think we can dump that rock in it. So I think that's what we'll do. Got all of the pallets down below. We got those moved up, got them organized up here. So we got some stuff done today that I wasn't expecting to. And then we didn't get to some other stuff that I was hoping to get to, but that's okay. It's a long day. We're all tired. We're going to go get cleaned up and go get some dinner. And hey, we'll start again tomorrow. But I think this is where we're going to end today's video. I want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate you coming back. And please take the time to share these videos. We'd like to, get our content out to as many people as possible. And we appreciate it. And we'll catch you next video. Y'all take care. I just want to say a big thanks to Landry today for coming over and helping us and running the tractor. He's gotten really good with that tractor, so it is handy to be able to have him sell the tractor and run it and let me do some other things. So big thanks to Landry for coming out and helping today.